Hello everyone, today in this video we learn to embed the video in Django. At first go to this site and install this package. Then go to documentation site from here. You can installation and setup and install this package in your Django project. For this, copy this and paste it in admin settings.py of our project. You get next. Then copy these lines of code from here for the models and paste it in our models.py. We will name it as videos. Then copy these lines of code from here and paste it in admins.py. Our models name is videos, so we'll name it videos here. Now open your command prompt and make a migration. Let's migrate this. Run your server. Now let's load this text in our template file. On this, copy and paste it here. Go to your admin site and add URL. We have this URL here, so we'll paste this in our front-end site. For this, go to views.py and at first import our videos model, then paste the object of videos. Now open index.html and try to put here to page video. Let's remove this. Here we have video.